Okay, love, so let's get into this updated wash day. So as you can tell, I've already washed my hair and, you know, done all of my prepping, and I'm just basically waiting for my hair to dry. I actually don't like to use a diffuser because my hair is so fine that if I put anything on it that's aside from my own hands, it causes frizz and the curls aren't as popping as they could be. So I'm gonna start you from my wash day. So when I got up this morning, I used the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk on my scalp because it's Wednesday, and on Wednesday I only use a co-wash, and this allows me to really get in there, cleanse my scalp, you know, remove any dandruff that could be there, remove old product that was in there, and it just really allows me to feel like my scalp is really getting clean. Next, I use my As I Am a dry itchy scalp care with olive and tea tree oil dandruff co-wash. Now ever since I've started using this product, I have not had any dandruff, like at all. My scalp is never itchy, and when I tell you guys I thought I had like psoriasis on my scalp because that's how bad the dandruff was, like that's how bad it was. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a watery product, so you definitely don't need a whole lot of it, but this does prevent dandruff, and it cleanses your hair and scalp using natural ingredients. So I really truly recommend this product. I literally have not had any problems with this, and I will definitely, this will always be my co-wash. I'm not switching it up. I don't like to be a product junkie, because when something works for my hair, it works, and that's that. I don't want to have 30 products that I'm trying out to do the same thing. This works for my hair, it keeps the dandruff away, and it helps cleanses my hair on my co-wash days. So next, to bring all the life back to my hair, I like to use a deep conditioning mask, and the one I chose today was the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil for dry damaged hair. And as you can see, I recently took all the color out of my hair, so my hair is blonde again, which means it's going to need all of that moisture again. So I definitely make sure that I use a steamer when I use my deep conditioning mask, because I really want it to penetrate. And when you have blonde hair, your hair is prone to more breakage just because there's no color in your cuticle. And so I just really make sure that I keep my hair hydrated, because as you can see, I'm already getting new growth, and I really just want to keep some length retention. And so me deep conditioning and making sure my hair is hydrated is what is going to give me my length retention. And hopefully by the end of the year, your girls' new growth will be down here and this hair will be down here, okay? And that's on period. Putting y'all on to some game. All right, now for the actual scalp care and hair treatment. So first, I like to use an oil on my scalp just to keep away any dandruff, but to also promote growth. So I use the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. This, I'm almost out of this, okay? But I also have other oils that I use on my hair. So when this is gone, I'm just gonna rotate to those, and when those are gone, I'm gonna rotate right back over here. So I like to use all my products. I don't like to have different products sitting around, but this, I love this bottle actually. Once I run out of this, I'm just gonna put the other oils that I have in this, and then because it closes and my other products doesn't have this kind of thing on it, so, and you can just put it directly on your scalp, massage it in for a couple of minutes. That's what I always do to activate, you know, just stimulate the follicles so your hair can actually grow. So yes, this is what I use first on my scalp. Next, I'm gonna put y'all on to a little secret for my fine strand ladies and people who just have low density hair. This will help keep your hair hydrated without actually having to use like 30 different products. So I use the Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter. Yes, you heard me right, twisting butter. This allows my hair to get maximum hydration because it's used for twists, right? And twists are supposed to be hydrated for like a week, 2 weeks. This allows me to get maximum hydration so that my hair is hydrated through my next wash and go. And typically, you know, you're supposed to do like twists and everything to, you know, get your hairstyles to last longer, but I love a good wash and go. Like, I haven't mastered the other styles yet, so a wash and go is what I can do. But this helps me to get maximum hydration. It's thick and it goes on my hair, and it helps me detangle my hair easily as well. So next, in order to seal and lock those cuticles, I use Camille Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften Leave-In. This, I absolutely love this. This makes my hands go through my hair like butter. This allows me to, you know, seal in that twisting butter I just used, and it allows me to keep all that hydration in my hair so that my hair is not breaking off. I used to have really bad hair breakage, and ever since I started doing protein treatments and ever since I started this new hair regimen, I have not had any breakage, like just your normal shedding. Okay, period. Okay, and for my last two products, I want to show you guys that I use a Camille Rose Curl Maker with marshmallow and agave leaf extract. This stuff is cracking a bottle, okay? Period, because this stuff leaves my hair, it defines my curls, right? But it doesn't have like the maximum hold that Wet Line Extreme does, but I don't exactly like the Wet Line Extreme hold because it's like too firm for my fine hair. So this is just perfect. But then I also combine it with Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and this combination, sis, this is where it's at. If you got hair like mine, fine strands, you know, low density hair, this is gonna be your best combo to get them curls popping. Okay, and I just wanted to give y'all a little update on what exactly I use to get these curls. So I'm gonna let my hair dry for a day, and I'm gonna come back and show you exactly what I do to get my beautiful voluptuous hair that you saw on my Instagram. All right guys, I am back, and this is what my hair looks like. So it always dries. I actually have a lot of really good definition, and I have a lot of like shininess to my hair. So like that's why I love being a blonde. Like blonde and black on my hair, it just looks so shiny and I love it. So now we're going to fluff out my hair, and the way that I do that is I actually don't use a pick anymore, because I feel like a pick kind of just breaks my hair off, because it's like when the gel dries, sis, you can't go in scraping at it with a pick. So what I do is use my good old free fingers. I use some argan oil, this very light one. I just spray it on my hands. I make sure I get a lot on my hands because I'm rubbing them together, and then I just rake my fingers through. So, and I don't mind a little bit of frizz, because like I said, my hair is so fine that if I don't have any frizz, like it's just gonna look like I ain't got nothing going on. So I like to rake my fingers through, and as you can see, I'm already getting some volume. Rake my fingers through the back. I used to have a really big problem with my crown area not getting any definition, but look how defined those curls are in my crown. Like, yeah. So I'm just gonna keep raking my fingers through, and look how like big the hair is getting, but how defined the curls still are. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and then we're gonna come back once I finish fluffing. I'm gonna add more oil because I want frizz, but I don't want too much frizz. Like, I don't want to look unkept. Okay, but do you see how my hair came out? Like, you guys, my hands are covered in oil, so I'm trying not to touch my face, but look how pretty my hair came out. So this is pretty much my updated hair care routine. And obviously, as the days go on, the hair is gonna get bigger, it'll get fluffier and frizzier, and it'll just be more shit happen, okay? But I just want to show you guys that I've come such a long way in my hair journey, and I just wanted to update you guys on what actually works for me now, so you're not out buying, you know, 50 different products. So my hair type is, I believe, 4A. If you look at my hair, it definitely like, it's loose in some parts, but like for the most part it's 4A. It's fine strands, low to medium density, as you can see, and I guess short to medium length. So I am hoping I can keep all of my length this year, because if you look at my hair, it's long, it's healthy. I literally have no, I want to say no split ends, but like no visible split ends. I used to could literally take a piece from like anywhere on my head and I would have split ends, and now I can take a piece from anywhere in my head and I don't have any split ends. So like, I am making progress with my hair, which I am very happy about. and I'm hoping to have my hair, you know, bigger. I'm hoping to see more black as my hair grows out. And yeah, I'm just really loving how my hair is doing, and I'm glad that I'm able to keep you guys updated and show you exactly what I'm doing and what I'm using to keep my hair healthy, long. And I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background. It's hot. I got my window open and my neighbor is trying to fix his raggedy truck, but it's not gonna get fixed. It's just like, it's a lost cause, but I can't tell him that because it's none of my business. But anyway, I just wanted to end this video on a happy note and a positive note, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know down in the comments if you need some direction on your hair care products, because I started my journey following all of the low porosity hair tutorials and gurus, so I kind of have a gist for the low and the high porosity. So let me know down below, girls, if you have any questions. And with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, sis, because a lot of my subscribers, well, a lot of my viewers don't be my subscribers, and I'm gonna need you to subscribe because I miss you. I want to be talking to you, and I want y'all to come back to my channel. You know, come see your girl on Wednesdays and Sundays. You know, I'm trying to bring you that fire content. Okay, so subscribe, share this video so you know more people can subscribe, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next banger. Bye.